So today we're showing the top 3 best apps on your iOS device where you guys can edit and make thumbnails for like your YouTube channel. So pretty cool. So the first app I'm gonna show you guys, you can search all these up in the App Store, is Intro Movie Maker, no spaces. This one also does intros for like video intros. So pretty cool. And also this one right here does do like other social media platforms. It does like your YouTube. All these apps have like their own like specialness to them, I guess. This one is my least favorite. The first one I'm gonna show you is this one, because like it has like it's good, but it's one thing I don't like about it, or I just don't know how to do it. But it's good because basically with this app, I'm gonna open up for you guys. You guys can do different templates. You can just do just not just YouTube, but it's Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, Snapchat, custom size, which is really cool. And also what I like about it, if you go to YouTube, you can do a thumbnail. You just go back. So hold on. So you can do a thumbnail. It does like the size automatically for your channel profile. This is the thumbnail, which is 1136, which actually is 1136 by 640, but I guess you can do it 1280 by 720. I guess it's the same thing. And then you also have your YouTube channel art. So it's pretty cool. It automatically puts this in those sizes for you. So if you want to make one, you just tap on it. And then they give you some like, ones that you start off with, or you guys can start from scratch and you add your own photos and, start from there. And it automatically puts in the right size for you. So you can just automatically upload it to YouTube. You go to the desktop version of like Safari, or like I use Firefox, and you can just sign with your YouTube, go to youtube.com, sign with your your Google-YouTube account, and you can just like upload. You go to my channel once you're on YouTube, and then once you sign in, and then you guys can upload this to your YouTube banner art or channel art or thumbnail, whatever. So it's pretty cool. I also recommend, since we're on the YouTube topic, just download a tweak called YT Studio. It's from Google themselves or YouTube themselves. It's a legit app. It's just basically YouTube Studio. It's an app that basically it makes it easier for you guys to like monetize your stats, your money you're making. If you are making money, your monetization, your views you get, your subscriber count for each month, just all that stuff. Tells you if it went down. You can see it for like the last couple months. It's pretty cool. Also another app. This is not from YouTube. It's called YT Tracker, which is YouTube Tracker. And both are, so it's YT Space Tracker, and the other one is YT Space Studio. So YouTube Studio or YT Space Studio. It's all in the App Store. So you can download them and search them up. That's from Google or YouTube. And the YT Space Tracker, that's not from YouTube. But I signed with my main YouTube account, and it's trusted. I talked to the developer, pretty cool guy. It kind of does the same thing that YouTube Studio does, but the thing about YouTube Tracker is that you can like copy thumbnails from videos, and it tells you like how to grow, and like it basically helps you get monetized. So if you need like 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers in the last 12 months, obviously subscribers, once you hit 1,000, you're good, and then you need at least 4,000 watch hours for the last 12 months. So it kind of tracks you down, for you to get to that point, so you start monetizing your videos and making some money. Really cool app. But back on topic, this app is pretty cool. The only thing I really don't like about it is that you can't add like multiple layers of photos. You can do like a background, and there's a lot of customization, but the only thing I don't like is you can't add like multiple photos. So if you go YouTube thumbnail, you don't have too much to choose from. That's the thing I don't like about it. But start from scratch, you can choose your own photos. I want to do this one, and then when you go to background, your gallery comes up, but there's no way you can actually add like pictures. So if you want to add like a thumbnail, like another like picture, like a back, you can't do that. But the text wise has a lot of features. Like you have all these arts. When you go to text, put the text in, and then you have a bunch. You see, there's a bunch of different fonts you have, and then you guys customize the color, the text style, text effects, and also we do have we actually do have different stuff here: abstracts, accents, basic shapes. Let's go to effects, and they do have a lot of effects you can actually do. So I like that. You have your overlay, so pretty cool. And you have your tools. So you have a lot of customization with this. Let me go to graphic. So I could do like, just something like that. Make it look cool. Change the color of it. So, pretty cool. Where was the feature I was going to show you guys? And then we have, effects, and then we have templates. But there's no way you can actually, you see when you go to background, you can change it, right? These are just some thumbnails I have for my thumbnail, my top tweets videos. But you can't actually add, another, and then when you go to here, you go to your layers up here. But you can't add, like, another photo layer, which is the only thing I don't like about this app. Other than that, it's amazing. But when you're done, you just tap on the top right, and then you just say yes or no. No thanks. You just give them feedback if you like the app, and then that's it. You can tap on here, and then you just save the photo. So it's basically that simple. That one's I like it. Besides the fact I can't add more photo overlay, and let's move on to our next one. Our next one is, let's see. yeah, this one's called YouTube. Let's see, thumbnail maker for videos, and this one I really like. You know, so you guys can go to the thumbnail maker. They do have like a VIP version of it. So if you guys go to the top right, it's a one-time purchase. It's just $7. It's not too bad. You get basically all this stuff. So you get basically a bunch of features for $7. And if you make thumbnails a lot, make videos like me a lot, it's definitely worth buying. I'm thinking about buying that. But if you just go to thumbnail maker, we go to here. And then we can see our photos. So let's say I want to do this one, which is actually someone's picture on Twitter. So I could just, you know, make that the background. So say I just want to zoom in. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, so I want to zoom into a green background, all right? And then we guess you can go text. Let's do just too high. It's really hard to type with that screen recorder. And then we have a bunch of, you know, you can just download them. We have a bunch of fonts we can use. We can make it bigger, you know, move it around. So, and then we also have text. So we guess you can change the font. Different colors we can do. The customization, different gradient colors. So, and then what was that we had? You just tap on it. Let's go to here. Oh, texture. Oh, that's pretty cool. All right, and then we go to here. That's cool. Like, you can blur it out. Then go to here. Okay. So you have a bunch of customization. Let me make it 3D. So yeah, that's cool. And then we guess you here. We guess you add like a picture. So we add like our photos. Let's say I want to add this one for like a top tweak video. You add like your screenshots to it, and then we can actually. All right, let's get rid of that. And so you add like different layers. Also, you have like pre ones that you can smiley face, all that cool stuff. You just tap on them and download them, and then we have our, you know, we have a bunch of like ones they give us. You do a little fire effect on. Oh, it's so cool. Come on. And then so I'm not sponsored by anybody. Like, I'm not sponsored by any of these people. And you guys see like little bots. And the only thing I don't like, let me see. So we could put that here. Let's see. And that gets a little annoying. Okay, this one. So now it goes behind it. So basically we go to layers on top. Go to here. I'll press the drag. Okay. Now, when we go over it, right? Good. There we go. Now we can just do that. Have like a little border for it. I might as well be making the thumbnail for this video, right? But yeah, that's just how you guys do it. Then we go to here. We can do like a different kind of background. Like, it's this app is amazing. I'm not gonna lie. Like, it's definitely worth $7. Like, that's just if you want to buy it. But if you don't want to buy it, you get so much features for free. I don't even think I brought it yet. So like, these are all for free features. And when you're done, you tap on here. And it saves a project too for you. So yes, you can tap on you know, save picture, saves your camera roll. And you're done. Then you just go to my projects. And you see I made some thumbnails. I delete a lot of them too, but you see it's right there. And then when you want any more, you just tap on delete, and then you guys can actually delete it. So then the last app is an app called Fonto. This is actually this is probably my favorite one. But like, between the one we just used and the second and third one are my favorite. Fonto and thumbnail maker for YouTube. Yeah, thumbnail maker for videos. So with this one, you can basically just it has a lot of like in-app purchases. You can buy the ones you want. You go to plain images, or you go to photo albums. You can choose from like photo from the gallery, and let me do that. This phone, man. Okay. Scroll down, and so you just want this one. The only thing that's annoying is I keep putting the right size, which is 1:1:3 6 by 6:40. That's for the thumbnail size, or the other way that they did in the first app, the 740 by like 1360, whatever it was. And then we guys, you can just add images, and then we can that's really it. And we tap on the screen, you can add text, you know. And then we could do like different, styles, curve, 3D, erase. So there's different, features that you can use. I don't know what I'm doing with this. Okay, there we go. Alright, and then you change the color of it. You do the size of it. So we can actually do size, and then we can make it bigger, smaller. You can do the font. You guys can download fonts using this, which is pretty cool. So you download fonts, and you guys can import it to this app. And then we have style. Make sure we change like the color, the strokes, background. So right now you do that, and if you want a background of it, you go to background, and you can tap on a color, and it gives it a background. So yeah, and then you guys see add, like, you go here, go to add image, change the theme. If you want like that kind of theme, use. That's it. And then you guys can actually go to here and go to add photos or add image and add different photos, and that's it. And you're done with it. Tap on the bottom right and then tap on save image, and it goes right to your camera roll. And then you can use YouTube Studio to easily upload these to these thumbnails or pictures to your videos as thumbnails. Or you can just go to the desktop version and then do it that way. But using YouTube Studio, you get all your stats, and it's so much quicker and easier. Like down the YouTube Studio app, which is YT Space Studio. And I said YT Space Tracker is also a great app. But yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one, and yeah, peace.